Now we are going to discuss about efficient distance-aware influence maximization in geo-social networks. Now we are going to discuss about the abstract of the process. As the proliferation of geo-social networks, location-aware promotion is becoming more necessary in real application. In this paper, we study the distance-aware influence maximization, that is DAIM problem, which advocates the importance of the distance between users and the promoted location. The propagation of influence is based on the between families, close friends, etc. This marketing strategy is shown to be more effective than the traditional advertising channels such as TV and newspaper. In proposed work, each user equally treated. We emphasize the difference between users in a geosocial network when the promoter locations are varied. Offers are known to only the nearby locations. Feedbacks are spreading all around the hotel. Then comes the flow diagram of our process. This shows the overall process of our system. First, hotel admin and then user. So first let us discuss about hotel admin. Hotel admin is the person in the hotel who handles the customers. Admin's job is to promote and get feedback from the customers. So promoting is admin send offer details to the nearby people using the Jabber chat application. Admin gets the feedback from people and share with other users. Here admin will send promoting message to the nearby people. The promoting message will contain the details about the new offers in the hotel. The promoting message will be sent to the people with the website link. In here getting feedback, admin gets choice from people who giving feedback. After giving the feedback, people will be asked for the choice to share with the friends. If the people select share, then their feedback will be sent to all chat application users. Then next comes the user model. User is the person who is using the Jabber chat application. If the person is nearby the hotel, then the person will receive promoting message from the hotel. And also other people will receive the feedback. Using this, the user can decide to visit the hotel or not. If the user is new to the JabberChat application, then by giving their personal details, users should register. Only registered users can use this application. Username and password given during the registration should be used to log in into the application. After logging into the system, user can chat with their friends. In chat box, it takes a user IP and its port number to communicate with each other. After this process, people can chat with each other. Here, user can log in and with their profile. Profile shows the details of the user given during the registration process. User can edit these details if needed. And getting advertisement. If the user is nearby the hotel location, then the user will receive the promoting message. The promoting message will be sent by the admin of the hotel. Sending offers to nearby user is to promote the hotel easily to other people. After receiving the advertisement from the hotel, the user can visit the hotel. And if the user is satisfied by the service or not, the user can give their feedback or suggestions about the hotel in the website. So if the user wants to share the feedback with other users of Jabber, user can select the choice share button. So it will be sent to the website and the admin will be sent to the all other users. Then comes the running procedure of our system. This is the home page of our process, Chat Jabber. So first registration process. Then select profile picture. Click here to register. So log in using the username password which given during the registration process. This is the index page for the user. By clicking this, user can view the profile and chat box and can view the office from the hotel, and this is the logout. So this shows the profile of the user. So we can edit, if we want to edit, we can edit. So the profile details were updated successfully. So then chat box. In the chat box we have to provide the port number. Here I am running the process in a single system, so it's showing the same IP address in my IP and my friend IP. We can use this application in the LAN connection, that is. So friend IP will differ and my IP will differ. So the port number must be same for the two persons and we can start chatting. So because of I'm running the process in one system, I'm receiving only one chat. So first it shows the username and then the message. So this is the chat box in this application. Then next offers page, it shows if any new offers in the hotel, that is the date, the subject of the offer and the main details of the offer. So now there is no offers in the hotel, so it doesn't show anything. And here the scrolling shows the feedback from the other users who visited the hotel and give the feedback. This shows the website of the hotel, it is eatery. This is the home page of our process. So as a user, the user can view the portfolio. Portfolio is the image gallery for the menus. So there is a link for feedback for the users. Here users can give their valuable feedbacks here. So the username and the description about the process. So the feedback. So the feedback was sent, and if you want to share with other friends, you can click share. So it will be sent to all other users in the Jabber. Feedback given by the customers are scrolled here for all users, that is for all Jab users, so that by viewing the feedback from the other users, the user can visit the hotel. So that's all about our process. Thank you.